Hello all, how are we today? It's Martin here, and today I'm going to show you this card which I'm going to be sending out with all customer orders this month. Well, we're halfway through the month, so for the foreseeable future. As you can see, it's using mint macaron. However, for today we're going to be using rich raspberry. Why? Because I want to. Simple as. So we're going to be using the Call for Celebration stamp set, and we're going to be using this "Thank you so much" stamp. So let's get a move on. That there. So I'm doing a long notelet. So it's 6x4 by 22.8 folded at 11.4 in half, and I've run it through the big shaft using the lovely floral dynamic embossing folder, as you can see. So that's the main element of the card, as you can see from the background. Then we've got the sentiment, which, as you can see there, "Thank you so much," and I'm going to stamp that in rich raspberry, like so, onto Whisper White. Let's move them further up the way, move that over that way, stamp it up, and just plonk it down. Oh no, look what I've done. Nightmare, what am I doing? Such an amateur. Right, so that's that. So now that's stamped into Whisper White like so. What I did is I ran it through the big shot using the stitched shapes. Can you see that? Finlets, framelets even, and you get this circle. On camera, focus. It's not focusing. But you can see you get the stitched edge around the circle. Now, because this is a video, I have already pre-done it. So it comes as a full circle, but I've just chopped off the edge there, just so it can sit off one side, and you can still see the background. So what I also did was I used the Botanical Tags Finlet dies to cut out the foliage in vellum, which I have two ready here. As you can see, they're very subtle. What I found is they stand out more on the rich raspberry than the mint macaron. However, I still like it on both. And I'm just going to secure them with a dimensional on the back. So I'm just going to line that roughly up, like so. Move it over a little bit. Turn it round so I can see there's 3 leaves. Just going to use the 2. Put a dimensional there, and that's it. Held into place. This one is going to go on the edge, slightly peeking out like that, and secure that one in place, like so. And then just to secure it down, just put an extra one at the top and throw the backs away. So then all I'm going to need to do is just line it up with the edge of the card. Right, that's not equal. So what I might do is just put another one there. No, should be okay. There you go, like so. And I'm just going to use my paper snips to cut off this little bit here. And there you go. You have 2 cards using 2 colours, so mint macaron and rich raspberry. So as I said, any orders placed with me this month will receive one of these in a card, either with your order depending on how you do it, or separate. So please contact me for any information on the products you've seen today, or you can follow the links below to all my social media platforms. I'll be happy to talk to you with any inquiries you might have, so please get in touch. Thank you. Goodbye.